In today's Excel tutorial, we are going to go through 3 user cases of DATEDIF formula. Let's start with user case 1, which we need to calculate age of employees in the table. For the first part of the formula, we need to select the date of birth. Then select the end date, which is the 3rd of November 2023. Finally, we enter letter Y in quotation mark for your date type. Yep, that's it. So easy. Let's move to the second user case. In the second example, we use the same formula to calculate number of months between two dates. So firstly, select start date in the formula, then select the end date. For date type, we enter M for month. Here, we have the number of months. In the third example, we are going to calculate the number of days between two dates. With the same formula we used in the second example, but the only difference is that instead of using M for month date type, we are going to use letter D for day type.